How to use OnePlus Switch to transfer content and settings to a new OnePlus phone. It wasn't so long ago when the thought of transferring photos, music, or files from one phone to another, not to mention settings and passwords, was a massive headache. Sometimes I'd just start from scratch. Thankfully, those days are behind us. And with cloud services and easy on-device backups, we can restore our new phone with the content and settings from our old phone. OnePlus makes this process practically second nature with its OnePlus Switch app. Let's look at how to use it. Choose which data you wish to transfer over: contacts, call logs, messages, calendar, notes, pictures, etc. Now the settings and important content that you wanted off of your old phone have been successfully transferred over to your new OnePlus device. While you can no doubt get a lot of this stuff from cloud services like Google Drive or Google Photos, it's nice to have this option. Plus, the OnePlus Switch app allows you to transfer over phone settings that aren't as easy, or possible, to transfer any other way. The OnePlus 8 is a 7T with a few new specs, 5G, and a larger battery for a $100 price bump. Oh, and it has Alexa built-in support. Even at the higher price, it still represents incredible value thanks to all of the core tenets of OnePlus phones: good hardware, great software, excellent specs, and strong battery life. Thinking about joining Team OnePlus but aren't sure which of the company's gadgets is right for you? Let us help you find the perfect OnePlus phone. Flagship phones are great. Paying full price for them isn't. Refurbished phones let you get a flagship device for a fraction of the cost. And these are a few of our favorites. It's always a stressful situation in the event that something happens to your smartphone. This is true for the Nokia 7.1, as you wouldn't want to have to replace your new device due to a cracked screen. To combat those concerns, we have found the best cases you can get for your new phone. Jeremy is proud to help keep Austin weird and loves hiking in the hill country of Central Texas with a breakfast taco in each hand. When he's not writing about smart home gadgets and wearables, he's defending his relationship with his smart voice assistants to his family. You can follow him on Twitter at @Jeremiute. Text source: AndroidCentral.com.